Hey, what's up everybody? Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-vlog, so I'm gonna try vlog today. It's almost October now, 2023. Oh yeah, so I already did simple makeup. Yeah, very simple. Oh my god, what's wrong with my brows? So I'm just gonna finish my hair. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish my hair, and then let's see if kung matutuloy natin tong vlog na to for today. So see you in a bit. We're on a road trip, diba, Rocky? Say hi. And let's say hi. This is Rocky. Hey. We're going to buy fish now. Hopefully we could buy fish. Yeah, we could buy fish.
It's traffic.
But it's traffic, hopefully. Ready to rumble, so I'm just gonna head to the groceries now. Going here. Cheap, bro. Mugali yun. Uy, kani ba? Ganahan di ako na, pero nalay buko. From Tachia, and it's really very quick. We already bought fishes and this. Kita akong boy bawang. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng boy bawang. Yan, boy bawang. Ito yung kinuha ko, yung hot garlic flavor. And then yung classic na garlic flavor. And of course, coffee from Boss. One of my favorites, the Italiano craft coffee from Boss. Who? This is the one that I came here. Okay, it's like 1.6. Okay, so I'm gonna get one with the mother. Here, it's gonna get some other. Okay, so they also have chicken, like healthy food. Yeah, let's get that one. It's only 1,000, and it looks pretty good. Also have what do I need? Oh, pansit canton. Oh, my favorite. Tortillas. Oh, that's the aisle of like junk foods that I got. Ha! Cheese curl, super crunch, Nova, lala. Wow. It's been a couple of hours since we're home. Hindi ko na natuloy yung vlog doon sa shopping galore kasi because of this guy. Yeah. Because of that guy. But kinain ko na ang aking chippy. Ang tagal ko na. When was the last time that I ate chippy? I think last year. Yeah. When nandun kami sa Philippines. Yeah, it's like, yeah, last year. More than a year, actually. So, chippy. Tapos, may binili din ako, what's that? Tortillas. So, yeah. Parang, yeah, naumay na ako sa chippy. Marami pang laman. And, yeah. Excited lang ako nung nakita ko siya kanina kasi, yung parang, oh, chippy. But then, that's just me. That's just me. Excited nung una, but pag nakain ko na parang hindi ko nauubos. So, this is too big. Sana may maliit na chippy. This is 200 yen something. Okay na din. Mas mura doon sa, sa Boybong, I guess, compared ko sa ibang, Philippine store na napuntahan ko. So, yeah. Just to, satisfy the craving. Chippy. Tanong ko lang, what is your favorite flavor of chippy? Kasi meron ding green na chippy. Yun, masarap din yun kasi siya. May vinegar yata yung green. Tapos yung original na chippy, which is the red. So, mine would be this one. Gusto ko tong, blue. Or gusto ko din yung red. Tapos, may isa pa palang flavor na chippy, yung white. Yung, unsalted yung white, no? Na chippy.
Oo.
Yeah. Yun, meron din. So, tsaka yung tortillas. But, I don't think I can eat that. Kasi for sure, konti lang din yung pagkain ko, tapos bubuksan ko, tapos magiging na siya, yung kunit, ba yan sa Tagalog, yung hindi na siya magiging fresh if I'm gonna open that one. But I don't know, it's still pretty early, it's 5, but I have something to do on the computer. I need to do computer work. Yeah, haven't started it yet because one day lang yung aking rest day this week. Yeah, usually. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully, I don't know if I could still come back later, but maybe I'll just say good night now because, yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here now. It's pretty short vlog, really nothing, but that's my day, that's our day, that's just our day, usually our day, there's nothing, but hopefully I could, share more, or I could make a more, story out of my day. Kasi sometimes, even though, konti lang yung ganap nyo sa day, but still, it's up to you, yung gumagawa ng vlog on how he or she is going to tell that story. So, yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna end it here. And yeah, I am so happy to see you all after a long time of not really vlogging. And thank you so much always for, those people that are still here and the new ones as well. So thank you so much, guys, and hopefully I will see you on my next video. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And yeah, good night. Bye.